Modeling is an essential step in exploration for efficient planning and accurate estimation. Progeox modeling provides you with integrated CAD tools to create your 3D models with ease. In just a few clicks, create 3D geological models, faults, and other 3D objects simply using polyline contours. Or create a 3D surface. Use the edition tools to adjust the modeled surface to fit the real one. Then, calculate the volume between surfaces. Create topographical surfaces and use color codes to easily visualize the elevations, allowing you to view the location of diamond drill holes. Or create quickly a 3D model to locate your block model. New features and improvements are released every 3 weeks, allowing you to take full advantage of a powerful modeling tool. Trusted by Agnico Eagle, Nearstar, Niobic Mine, Endeavor, and many more. All your 3D modeling needs come together to form a powerful tool to visualize your exploration project.